Students, I welcome you all to my channel, Abrar Sir classes. Today we'll be seeing some important problems on the topic Vernier Caliper. This is the first problem. It is saying in a Vernier calipers, 10 smallest divisions of the Vernier scale are equal to 9 smallest division on the main scale. If the smallest division on the main scale is half millimeter, then the Vernier constant is nothing but what? Least count. You are supposed to calculate what? Least count. What is the formula for least count? The formula for least count is equal to 1 MST minus 1 VST. Okay, main scale division, and this is Vernier scale division. They have given 10 smallest divisions of the Vernier scale, that is 10 VST is equal to how much? Are equal to 9 smaller divisions on the main scale, that is 9 MST they have given. Therefore, 1 VST is equal to 9 by 10 MST. Therefore, 1 VST is equal to 0.9 MST. Just substitute this here. 1 MST minus 0.9 MST, that is equal to 0.1 MST. Now that is equal to 0.1 into how much is, if the smaller division on the main scale is half millimeter they have given, you have to multiply it by 1 by 2. That is equal to 0.05 mm. This is half. That is, least count is how much? 0.05 mm. Hope you understood this easy problem. We'll go to the next problem. It is saying the main scale of a Vernier caliper reads in millimeter and its vernier is divided into 10 divisions which coincide with 9 divisions of the main scale. Now, what is the formula? Least count is equal to 1 MST minus 1 VST. They have given here 10 VST is equal to how much? 9 MST. Again, 1 VST is equal to 9 by 10 is 0.9 MST. That is equal to how much? 1 MST minus 0.9 MST, that is equal to 0.1 MST. This time they have given, okay, reads in millimeter. We will assume 1, okay, 1 itself reads in millimeter, that is 1 millimeter, okay, that is equal to 0.1 millimeter. Least count. We got the least count. When the two jaws of the instrument touch each other, the 7th division of the Vernier scale, 7th division of the Vernier scale coincide with the scale division, and the 0 of the Vernier lies to the right of the 0 of the main scale. Okay. Now, here, if I take up, if this is the main scale, if this is the Vernier, this is the main scale, okay, this is the main scale, and this is the Vernier scale. This is what? Vernier scale. Vernier scale. What they are saying? 0 of the Vernier, 0 of the Vernier. This is 0 of the Vernier. Okay. This is 0 of the Vernier. Lies to the right of the 0 of the main scale. Okay. Main scale 0 is somewhere here. This is 0 of the Vernier scale. This is 0 of the main scale. Now, if it is onto the right side, then you will get what? Positive 0 error. You will get what? Positive 0 error. That is, formula is VST coinciding with main scale main scale into least count. How much is the VSD coinciding with the main scale? 7th division, that is 7 into how much least count? 0.1. That is equal to how much? Plus, okay, plus 0.7 mm. Now, furthermore, when a cylinder is tightly placed along its length between the two jaws, the zero of the vernier lies slightly to the left of 3.2. Now, left of 3.2. What is the formula for calculation of length of the cylinder? Length is given by what? Length is equal to main scale reading plus of least count into VSD coinciding with main scale minus zero error. Now they are saying that if I have, furthermore, when a cylinder is tightly placed along its length between the two jaws, the zero of the vernier scale, okay, the zero of the vernier scale, what is happening? Lies slightly to the left of what? 3.2. Left of what? 3.2. Understood? If 3.2 is here, assume if 3.2 is here, which is the previous one? Previous one will be how much? 3.1. Right, understood. Now, for example, I will write down one second to make you understand. Let us say here 0 is there, okay. Here 3 is there. Let us say 0, 1, 2, 3 is there, okay. This is 3.1, this is 3.2, right. 0 of the vernier, okay, lies slightly to the left of 3.2 centimeter. Okay, 3.2 centimeter means left of 3.2. This is 3.1. This is 3.2. Okay, left of 3.2. This is a vernier scale. This is MS main scale. This is what? VS. This is 0 of what? Vernier scale. Okay, this is 3.1, 3.2. Which is the main scale reading then? That is equal to 3.1 itself. Very good. 3.1. 3.1, that is what? In centimeter. 3.1 centimeter. Because they are given centimeter. Plus of least count is how much? 0.1. Which is the VSD coinciding with main scale. 4th vernier division coincides with, okay, that is into 4. Correct, no? That is in mm. Minus 0 error, we got how much? 0.1 mm. Answer they are given in centimeter. You have to convert that into what? Centimeter. Okay, we can convert. That is equal to 3.1 centimeter minus 0.4 minus 0.1 is 0.3 mm. Right, 0.3 mm. That is equal to, convert this into what? I can convert this into mm for the time being. Okay, that is multiplied by 10. I will get 31 mm minus 0.3 mm. That is equal to how much? 30.7 mm. Now divide this by 10. You will get how much? 3.07 centimeter. Hope you understood. This is the right answer. Okay, this is the formula. You have to remember, length is equal to main scale reading plus least count into VSD coinciding with main scale minus 0 error. Understood? Next. In experiment, the angles are required to be measured using an instrument. Okay, 29 divisions of the main scale exactly coincide with the 30 divisions of the vernier scale. What is least count? Least count is equal to 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. We already know how much is 129, 30 divisions of the vernier scale. Here 30 divisions of VSD. Okay, 29 divisions of the main scale exactly coincide. That is 29 MST. Therefore, 1 VST is how much? 29 by 30 MST. That is equal to 1 MST minus 29 by 30 MST. That is equal to how much? 30 minus 1 by 30 MST. So there is MST, how much? If the smaller division of the main scale is half a degree, you have to multiply is half a degree, 1 by 2 degree. That is equal to how much you are going to get? 1 degree, 1 into 1 degree divided by how many degrees? 60 degrees. Now, how much is 1 degree is equal to? 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. Okay, that is equal to 1 by 60 degree, right? 1 by 60 degree. 1 degree is equal to 60 minute. 1 by 60 degree, okay, divide this by 60 here, okay, 60 minutes this is in degree, this is in minute, this is in degree, this is in minutes, right? So 60 by 60 is how much? 60 by 60 minute, that is equal to 1 minute. This is 1 minute is the right answer. 1 minute is the right answer. Hope you have understood this. We go to the next problem. It is saying when nothing is placed between the jaws of a vernier calipers of MSD 1 mm, then 6 vernier scale division coincides with a main scale division and 0 of main is on the left of 0 of vernier. Calculate 0 error if 9 main scale division. Least count is equal to what? 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. How much is 10 VSD is equal to how much? Again here 9 MSD. We know that 1 VSD is equal to 0.9 MSD. That is equal to how much? 0.1 MSD. MSD is how much? Clearly they have given 1 mm. Therefore 0.1 into 1 mm is how much? 0.1 mm is the what? Now they are saying that when nothing is placed between the jaws of a vernier, then the 6 vernier scale division coincides with a main scale division and 0 of main scale. See, this is main scale, okay, this is main scale and this is what? Vernier scale. This is what? Vernier scale. Now 0 of main scale, okay, see, this is 0 of main scale. Understood? 0 of main scale at the left of 0 of vernier. This is 0 of what? Vernier scale. This is again what? Positive error. Okay, positive 0 error. Positive 0 error. What is the formula for positive 0 error? That is equal to VST coinciding with main scale division. With main scale, just write down with main scale is enough. Into what? Least count. Into least count. How much is VST coinciding with main scale here? They have given 6. That is 6 into how much LC we got? Least count 0.1. That is equal to plus 0.6 mm is the right answer. Students, hope you understood all these problems. Please work out. Okay, it is just based on 1 or 2 formulae. You can do it very easily, provided you should practice. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. Kindly practice, then only you can attack all the problems very easily. I wish you all the best for your KCET, NEET and IIT JEE examinations. If you like this video, kindly share with your friends, like it, ask doubts in the comment box, and do not forget to subscribe for my channel. Thanks for visiting my channel. I wish you all the best.